Old man's on the tractor with his headlights on, trying to cut the pasture for the daylight's gone. While I'm in the kitchen, you can hear her sing, smell that fried chicken through the window screen. You can smell that fried chicken through the screen. Well, the sun's going down, lighting bulbs around. There's just something about twilight in the south. Yeah! You can see the whitetail peeking through the tall pine tree. Smell that honeysuckle in the early evening breeze. I've been out working in the sun all day, so I'm hitching up that jumbo to that old Chevrolet. I'm gonna stop and grab a six-pack on the way. Well, the windows are down, June bugs around. There's just something about twilight in the south. Yes, sir. Way down around in Tennessee, turns in Alabama. When summer days turn into summer night, there's a honey hole a mile below that chicken might be down, where I guarantee the fish are gonna bite. And I guarantee that's where I'll be tonight. Thank you. Way down around in Tennessee, turns into Alabama. When summer days turn into summer night, if you're ever down around this way, this time of year, this time of day, you'll have a good idea what heaven's like. When that sun's going down and them tree frogs are out, there's just something about twilight in the south. It's almost summer, y'all. There's just something about twilight in North Carolina.